technical update on the equity markets. The Nifty has opened with a gap up opening today, and it held on to the morning gains, which was very crucial. In the previous trading sessions, we could see that the Nifty opened with a gap up or on a positive note. However, during intraday, it gave up the gains and closed in the negative. Today was, however, different, and the Nifty has ended the day with an 86-point gain on the Nifty. The advanced return ratio was also pretty impressive, with 1,107 advances to 411 declines. The mid cap and the small cap index were up close to 1.6% and 2.2% respectively. Infosys and Kotak were the two stocks which were dragging the Nifty today. However, on the flip side, Reliance, HDFC and ICICI Bank supported the Nifty in today's trading session. Now we will have a look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, we can observe that after 4 consecutive daily negative close, Nifty has closed in the positive with gains today. It is trading above the 20-day simple moving average, which was a crucial support, and will now play a crucial support in the coming trading session, which is placed at 7,500. On the upside, this downward sloping resistance trend line comes to around 76.30, 76.40 odd levels. In the coming trading sessions, 76.30 and 76.40 could act as a crucial resistance for the Nifty, and if the Nifty surpasses that with good amount of force or with swift action, then we can see Nifty touching our all-time high of 7,700 and reaching afterwards 77.40, which is our short-term target on the upside. Daily momentum indicator still has a negative crossover, which is not a good sign for the bulls in the short term. However, the price action today has somewhat confirmed that we are still on the way up, and in the coming trading sessions we could see more positive momentum in the coming trading sessions. Now moving on to the hourly chart, we can observe that Nifty has closed above the 20 and 40 hourly moving averages. Around 2:30 in the afternoon, we saw a sharp fall in the Nifty around 50 points from the day's high. However, Nifty took support at the 20 and around the 20 and 40 hourly moving averages and pulled back pretty smartly from those crucial supports. The hourly momentum indicator still also has a positive crossover, so momentum on the upside should continue in the coming trading sessions. Now moving on to the chart of Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty also opened with a gap up opening today. It closed above the 20-day simple moving average, which is a good sign for Bank Nifty in the coming trading sessions. We saw banking stocks continue its positive momentum from yesterday, and they also, most of them apart from Kotak Bank, most of them gained in trade today. Our view on Bank Nifty also remains positive. We expect the Bank Nifty to touch the daily upper Bollinger Band in the coming trading sessions. Crucial supports are placed at 14,900 odd levels and 15,158 odd levels on the upside. 15,460 and 15,600 are crucial resistances. So overall, friends, our view on the Nifty remains positive with a target of 77.40 on the upside. The positive momentum that we have seen today should continue. We have crucial expiry for this month coming up on Thursday. However, we feel that the Nifty shall continue its positive momentum. If we see some sideways action, overall the trend should remain positive for coming few trading sessions. That's all for the day. Thank you.